are in preparation for the toy truck and monitor crush.
Want me to shut that off and just talk?
No, that's alright. He's building a base of stuff. So, yeah. Alright, we are recording.
We'll go to the Hummer first.
That's why that's here.
Nice
It's
fit.
like a dream come true for you.
Alright, ready?
Ready.
Alright.
Wow. Holy shit.
Hold on, pause it.
Recording.
Alright, minor technical problem. We got it fixed here, so.
That thing does just keep going, man. You aren't kidding, that'd take your head clean off.
Alright, so I think we're ready.